Hello all. Today we will see about the grammar for IELTS. This is an intensive grammar course to help you in all parts of the IELTS exam. Here you will learn how to impress the examiner with the use of gerunds and infinitives, passives and modals, articles and determiners, adjectives and adverbs. And also a detailed knowledge of pronouns, prepositions and punctuation. Why is grammar so important in IELTS test? Let's have a look at each module. In IELTS writing, that is in academic and general training test, you are given two tasks. Task 1 demands you to write 150 words, while in task 2 you need to write 250 words. The writing tasks are examined as per the following four criteria: coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, grammatical range, and accuracy. Next, IELTS speaking module, that is evaluated on the basis of fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range, accuracy and pronunciation. Coherence and cohesion is that you use the English language with appropriateness. Lexical resource, that is your richness, your in vocabulary. Next, IELTS listening and reading module. For this, you must listen to the English news channel, try to read or make the habit of reading newspapers, articles or anything in English. Let us see the rules, the grammar rules. First, the verb tense. Use simple present tense while talking about general, repetitive and permanent aspects. To talk about ongoing or progressive action, use simple continuous tense. And past tense while describing the events occurred in the past. Use present perfect tense for events that occurred in the past but still has a connection with the present. For example, for simple present tense, I take IELTS class for you. But it is ongoing. So I say I am taking IELTS class for you. If I took class on yesterday, I say I took IELTS class on yesterday. How to use the present perfect tense? I have been taking the IELTS class since a month. Next, voice. Make use of passive voice to sound more formal and impersonal. This you will get to know in detail about this grammar in the coming sessions. Modal verbs such as could, might and may are the modal verbs used to refer to uncertain actions of future. You are not sure. Use them to describe different answers. For example, could have, might have, may have, if you are not sure. Can is used to generate possible statements about present. Must is used to express something that is absolutely true or correct. Definite article, that is the, in order to describe one of something in a specific area. The river, the bridge, the place. Adjective. If you want to decorate your English, use adjective. That is usage of er, est. We move to a safer place, or this is the safest place in the city. This is the most delicious. So this most, more are the adjectives. Usage of er or st, re. We'll come to detail about this. Preposition. If you are connected with something, suppose he was pleased with the speaker. He was pleased to hear his favorite song. So for the connection, you need preposition. On, with, to, into. So these are the grammar rules. Thank you.